ready to transform your existing Squarespace site into something truly spectacular and functional. Overhauling your Squarespace website is a fantastic way to breathe new life into your online presence. Whether you're aiming for a complete rebuild or just a significant refresh of your content and aesthetics, let's get started. Step 1 is to log into your Squarespace account and navigate to your website's dashboard. Think of this as your command center for the entire transformation. Next, it's time to strategize your new structure in the Pages panel. Look at your current sitemap. Do you need to reorder pages, add new ones, or perhaps remove outdated sections? Map out your ideal navigation flow. Now, let's talk about content. Go through each page and assess its effectiveness. Is the text up-to-date and engaging? Are your images high quality and relevant? Consider using Squarespace's various blocks to create dynamic layouts that break up text and add visual interest. Aesthetics are crucial under the Design menu. Explore your template options even if you're not switching templates. You can significantly alter your look by adjusting fonts, colors, and site-wide styles. Experiment until you find a visual identity that truly represents your brand. Don't forget mobile. Squarespace automatically handles responsiveness, but it's vital to preview your site on different devices. Ensure everything looks and functions perfectly on phones and tablets, as this is how most users will encounter your site. Finally, let's dive into your site settings, update your SEO descriptions, connect any necessary integrations, and ensure your analytics are set up to track your new site's performance. This whole process is about making your Squarespace website work harder and look better.